How to start LinkedIn marketing without ads. 4 essential tips for beginners. Look, here's the deal. LinkedIn has about 800 million active users. That's not the biggest platform out there. Heck, Facebook has 3 billion, Instagram topped 1 billion last year. Yet still, LinkedIn is one of the best places to find your perfect clients. And it's because people are functioning on LinkedIn in a business way. And you don't have to be doing business to business because LinkedIn is full of humans. So if you market to consumers, your prospects are there, your clients are there. So it would be wise to look at LinkedIn as a segment of your online marketing. And for a lot of people, it might be the only segment of their online marketing, especially if you're a beginner. It's a great place to start, and that's what we're talking about today. Coming up in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 essential tips, especially if you're just beginning on LinkedIn. But even if you've been using LinkedIn a while, I think you're going to get some value from these. But before I get to those, if you are new to my channel, my name is Chris. For the last 24 years, I have had thousands of paying clients. These are people who are inspired to have an impact on those they serve, and they simply want to get paid beautifully doing something they love. So I help them do that, but I do it in a way like you might not think. And while it may sound obvious, your LinkedIn profile is essential if you're going to be getting clients from LinkedIn. You see, when people explore who you are because they want to know if you can provide them with the solution that they're seeking, they're going to go to your profile. If you have a generic banner, if you have a terrible headshot, if your headline is non-existent, then they're going to arrive on your profile and they're not going to be absolutely sure that you can help them. So your mission right now is to optimize your LinkedIn profile so that when your perfect prospect lands on your profile, they know that you are an expert who has education, experience, authority, trustworthiness, and they know that if they are solution seeking, they're in the right place. So start with your banner. Make sure your banner clearly describes what you do. Make sure you have a profile photo that looks like you, that is current, that is professionally taken, or at least taken with intent from your phone or your own personal camera. Make sure your headline clearly describes the transformation that awaits people who want to work with you, and fill out your contact information to make it super easy for someone to get a hold of you. In fact, in my contact information, I have my calendar link because that's what I want people to do next, is get on my calendar so that we can brainstorm about their marketing and I can give them some advice on what they can be doing right now to get more clients fast. And then a percentage of those people actually want to work with me and they become clients. And that's how it works. So if you don't want to run ads on LinkedIn, you really must focus on getting your profile in tip-top shape. This is not a time to mess around. We really have to be very focused. All right, so there's your very first step, is to go visit your profile, look at it through the eyes of your prospects. Make sure that it's doing the job that it's intended to do, which is take people one step closer towards working with you. LinkedIn is like just about any other social platform, and it relies on your content as one of its mechanisms for bringing people to the platform and keeping people on the platform. Something that's kind of interesting is that LinkedIn has the lowest amount of time that people spend on the platform. When we look at how much time people spend when they log on to LinkedIn, it's about 7 minutes compared to 99 minutes that people will spend on TikTok. So LinkedIn is really up against the clock, so to speak, in getting people to come to the platform and stay on the platform, and they come to the platform for content. So your content should bring people to LinkedIn and should keep them on LinkedIn. When you're able to do that, the platform is going to reward you by expanding your reach and having you surface more when people are looking for what you do. So I want you to create educational content that helps people have a small transformation. LinkedIn users want content that helps them get better at what they do. That's educational content. And if your service or your product can help people get better at what they do, educating them with your content is going to be one of the most important things you can do if you're looking to get clients from LinkedIn without ads. And probably the most important tip I can share with anyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned LinkedIn user, is the word consistency. It's showing up on LinkedIn consistently and providing educational content, sharing great posts, creating articles and newsletters, uploading videos, creating carousel posts, interacting with others, and contributing to the platform on a regular basis. The more consistent that you are on LinkedIn, the more the platform is going to want to share you and your information, versus someone that just shows up on LinkedIn once every couple of weeks or once a month, checks in, maybe posts or shares something that's meaningless. LinkedIn doesn't want to do anything for that kind of a person. So I want you to set a schedule and stick to it. Show up consistently share information, consistently seek to help people get better at what they do. And over time, you're going to find that LinkedIn will reward you for that consistency that you have on the platform. And look, it should be no surprise whatsoever that organic marketing on LinkedIn is going to take some time. It could take weeks before you start to see any kind of churn or people coming to you, versus ads where you can see results the same day that you start the ad campaigns. But if you're really looking to make a splash on LinkedIn and you don't want to run ads and you want to do it organically, these steps that I shared with you today are going to put you well on your way to success.